Welcome to our YouTube channel on Product Lifecycle Management. Today we'll talk about how digital twin technology is transforming product development in PLM. Digital twin technology allows us to create a virtual replica of a product and simulate its performance in real time. This technology accelerates the product development process, reduces the risk of failure, and improves overall product quality. Furthermore, digital twin technology enables us to monitor and analyze the product's performance throughout its life cycle. This data can be used to improve future product designs and make informed decisions about maintenance and upgrades. To use digital twin technology, we create a virtual replica of the product and integrate it with real-time data from sensors and other sources. This integration enables us to simulate the product's performance under various conditions, allowing us to identify potential issues and adjust the design before the physical product is manufactured. Digital twin technology also supports predictive maintenance, which enables us to identify potential problems before they occur and take preventative measures. This feature reduces downtime and maintenance costs while enhancing the overall performance and lifespan of the product. In conclusion, digital twin technology is revolutionizing product development in PLM, enabling faster and more accurate product development, better monitoring and analysis of product performance, and predictive maintenance. We hope you found this video informative and stay tuned for more insights on PLM. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to PLM for your YouTube channel.